Ever wondered why some YouTubers have ride or die fans who watch every video while others struggle to get repeat viewers? It's not luck, it's strategy. And today I'm showing you how to build a loyal audience that keeps coming back. If you're tired of people just watching one video and never returning, then this video is for you. Let's get right into it. Now let's talk about why loyal viewers actually matter. Loyal fans equals to YouTube growth on autopilot. And what does this mean? When people keep coming back, YouTube pushes your content even further to more audience, which means loyal viewers equals to higher retention, more shares, and more engagement. Simple maths. And what this means for you is you get more recommended video placement, you get higher watch time and better algorithm ranking. And then you also get a community that supports and promotes your content, which is what everybody wants. Now let's dive right into the loyal audience formula. Step one is to define your unique hook. Why should people choose you over other people in your niche? This is a question you should ask yourself. Why should they choose you? Like, what's unique about you? What's special about you? What's different? What way are you doing your thing that is different and unique and makes it more special for people to see two people doing the same video and choose yours? What's unique? Is it your thumbnail? Is it your titling? Is it your hook? Is it the way you talk? Is it the way you speak? Define your unique hook. You need to know that your personality, your content style, your approach, they all need to stand out. Step two is to create addictive binge-worthy content or series. Like make series-based videos to keep viewers coming back. Like the next video is a continuation of this video. The next one after that is a continuation of that. That's what series means. Make it binge-worthy so that you get viewers to come back to follow, the series. You could also go as far as using hooks or teasers for the next video to keep people, pumped and interested in the next video. Oh, I can't wait to watch the next video. I want to know what the next video is. Things like that. Like, for example, at the end of your video, you could say, in my next video, I'll show you how to increase your watch hour by 10 times. Don't miss it. Stuff like that. That's what we call teasers, create a binge-worthy series for your viewers to want to keep coming back. Step three is to engage like a pro. Like, if you're not engaging with your audience, what are you actually doing? Reply to every comment in the first 24 hours. You're not too big to reply to comment. Hello? Even if you don't know what to type or what to respond, drop a like in the comment. It's going to notify them that the creator actually likes their comment, which makes them feel seen. It makes them feel visible that, oh, this person actually sees me. You can also shout out loyal fans, feature their comments in your videos, stuff like this. Use your community posts to interact in between uploads. Community post is very powerful. You see that community tab on your YouTube channel? It's very powerful and it reaches a wide audience. So if you're not making use of your community tab, please post on your community. Post over there. It reaches a wider audience sometimes months later or days later, even a year later, it's still going to reach audiences. So make use of your community post. Take advantage of it. You can create polls on there to, for people to vote, get you to know what your audience are thinking, what your audience like. Things like that. Don't just relax. Don't just post a video and relax. Engage. Be all up in people's faces with that video. Reply, comment back to back. Step four is to build an off YouTube community. I just did this, guys, and if you have not yet subscribed to my Telegram channel, I'm going to link it down in the description and also in the comments. Go and subscribe, guys. It's wonderful over there. I promise you. You're gonna love it. You're gonna learn more things than you do over here because you have direct access to me. Okay, and I respond really quick on my Telegram channel. So if you're not yet subscribed, please click the link down in the description or check the comments and join the Telegram channel. Okay, things like this. Like, you can create another community off YouTube. It could be an email list, it could be a Discord, it could be Instagram. Give your audience behind the scene to your life or how you create your content, your creative process. Sometimes you could also give them exclusive early access to some kind of videos or exclusive access to certain content that people won't get on your YouTube channel. And then also you can host live videos, go live, do Q&A sessions so that you can interact with your audience. Like, the interaction is everything. They get to know you're a human being. They get to know the person they are watching and looking up to on a deeper level, on a more personal connection, not just somebody that is on a pre-recorded video. They talk to you live. They drop their questions, you answer it live. So going live is also a really good form of building a loyal audience. And the last step is to stay consistent and deliver value. As always, that's my national anthem. Always deliver value in your videos. You cannot be consistent and be delivering rubbish. Consistently delivering rubbish. That is rubbish, in fact. So when you're consistent, make sure it's valuable content you're consistent in. You could go as far as posting at the same time each week so that your audience already know that on this particular day at this particular time, this person always posts. So they look forward to that. If you can do that, that is even great. They know when to expect you on YouTube. Also stick to your niche, but also experiment within your niche. Do not just be, rigid. Be flexible within your niche. Experiment with different topics, different titles, different styles of thumbnail. Like just experiment and see what your audience love better, because this helps to keep things fresh. Okay. It doesn't make it just boring and, the same style all the time. It keeps things fresh. It keeps it more enjoyable for them. Lastly, you give your audience content that solves a problem for them and also entertains them, which is all under the bracket of giving value, because value could be entertainment, value could be educational. So just make sure you're either solving a problem that they need or you're entertaining them with your content. This is what brings people back to your channel. This is what makes people loyal to your channel. So you now know how to turn viewers into loyal, engaged fans. But what next? You need to know how to make money from your audience and turn your channel into a full-time business, because that is what you're here on YouTube for. Nobody's here to dull. There's no even need to pretend. Everybody wants a source of income. Everybody wants financial freedom. That is the most 90% of the reason people are here on YouTube. So now you've built a loyal audience. You need to know how to turn this audience into clients, into customers. You turn your YouTube channel into a business. If you want to know how to do this, watch out for my next video, because that is what I'll be talking about there. And I will first talk about it on the Telegram channel. So please do not forget to, click the link and subscribe to the Telegram channel. You're going to be learning how to make money on YouTube, even as a small creator. Yes, it's possible. I did it. I've done it. I'm doing it. I've been doing it. I don't know how to explain to you again, but there is money to be made on YouTube. That's all I'm gonna say. So if you don't want to miss it, turn on post notifications, subscribe to the channel, all the good stuff. Share this video to somebody that needs to see it. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.